Hello. Our mission is to bring you happiness through kitchens of German quality and European standards. It is very important for us to bring you aesthetics and functionality at the same time. Welcome to Master Kitchen. We have our built-in dishwasher. Check this out. In this drawer, we have a very interesting feature, bottle holders. How cool is that? Here we have many bins, so we make recycling easier. And here they are, one of my favorite cabinets. They are so convenient, how they open and how they close to make your lifestyle much easier. And let's don't forget about the lighting. Here it is. Lighting is everything. Here we have our famous built-in refrigerator, which, by the way, we can design it for you and put two together. This is a minimal style kitchen. Take a look at this countertop. The countertop and the cooktop are even, which makes it easier to clean, but also makes it clean lines. This cooktop really speaks minimal. And here we have one of my favorite devices, the cheese or ham slicer for all cheese or ham lovers. On this side, there are two openings, which breaks the solid characteristic of the kitchen and makes you feel more like in the living room. On this side, we have our ovens. This one, it is a standard European size, but if you would like bigger, we can provide you as well. And here we have our pantry with glass drawers and plenty of space. And this is our coffee corner. This is a place where you come and gather with your friends, your family, an afternoon, you drink some coffee. It's warm. We have our built-in coffee machine right there. So, enjoy.